Welcome to Vote.SMS. In this video, we will show you how to navigate yourself through the Vote.SMS dashboard. Once you've logged in, the first thing you'll see is the Vote.SMS dashboard. This is the main hub, where you can manage and track all your polls. In the top bar, you have all Vote.SMS controls at a glance. You can access the poll and campaign creation tools from here, but also create and manage your templates and phone books. It also allows you to access your opt-in and stop list. At the top right of the bar, you can check your account balance. By clicking the PayPal symbol next to it, you can add credits, using your PayPal account, or a credit or debit card, if you are not using PayPal. When you have selected the PayPal symbol, the payment page will appear, where you can select the preferred payment amount. You can find more details on how the process of payment works in the separate video on how to sign up and manage your account in Vote.SMS. At the far top right of the bar, you can also access the account settings and the logout button by clicking on the human symbol. More information about the account settings can also be found in the video on how to log in and manage your account in Vote.SMS. In the current status section at the top left, you will find a pie chart with all polls that have not yet been completed in any way. These could be, for example, polls that have been saved as drafts or have been stopped, which could be the case if you forget to click the Start button to broadcast your poll after creating it. But there may also be other reasons, such as that polls have been scheduled, declined, or are still waiting for approval. If you move your mouse over the pie chart, you can see the individual percentages of the different states of the polls. At the top right of the box, you can see the currently active polls, and at the bottom you can see the polls that require your attention, which can be the case if, for example, an error has occurred. To the right, there is a box displaying the results and status of your completed polls. You can use the arrows on the top right to scroll through and view the status of each poll. Click on the small arrows next to each question to expand them, and view the full details and answer options on each polling question. To get to the detailed statistics and reports of your polls, you can simply click on the title of the poll here in the quick overview. Or you can access the poll statistics and reports via the table below, where all your polls are listed in more detail. You can do so by clicking on the poll title here as well. This will open the statistics area, where you can track the poll's progress. To get a detailed insight into how to navigate the poll statistics, you can watch our separate video on how to navigate poll statistics. To close the window, use the X button. Back on the main page, you can filter the poll table by campaign type, such as regular, drip or archived campaigns. Each poll has a unique ID number, which is useful for support inquiries. You can search for specific ID numbers in the search bar above. Another option is to search by the name of the polls. But you can also filter by poll status. For example, if you want to see all your drafted polls, you can use the status filter and select drafts from the list. And the table will filter them all out for you. To clear your selection, in case you want to search by other poll statuses, click the little cross on the right, and select a new option from the list. In addition to the status filter, you can also view the completion rate in %. And as in the quick overview on the top, you can also check which polls require your attention in the event of an error here. Another filter is the template filter. With this, you can search for specific templates that you have used for your polls. Just type in the name of the template you are looking for into the search bar, and then select the template from the list displayed. If you want to search for a different template, click on the little cross, and type in the new template name. Finally, you can filter your polls by start date and stop date. By clicking on the date fields, a calendar will pop up, where you can select the relevant date. You can also perform some poll actions through the table, by clicking on the 3 dots next to the poll ID. A short action menu will appear, which offers the following cloning options. The clone button duplicates your poll, allowing you to rename it and change the route if you have multiple toll-free numbers. It keeps the same audience and questions, which is ideal for switching between SMS and MMS with pictures. The New from Clone button also duplicates the poll, but lets you select a different target audience, keeping all other settings the same. The New from Participants button lets you create a follow-up poll specifically for participants from a previous poll. It keeps the same features as the clone option, but targets only those who took part in the original poll. The Archive button moves old polls to the archive to maintain a clean list of active polls. Archived polls can be found at the top left of the poll list. If you have a long list of polls, you can scroll through your entire table using the arrows at the bottom right. Get started on creating polls and campaigns with Vote.SMS today. Thanks for watching.